You getting out?
Yeah.
Did you take your baby to daycare?
No.
You forgot to take your baby to daycare.
Don't take a picture of me.
Oh, don't take a picture of you? Okay. I'm not taking a picture of you. This is not a picture. Pictures are still pictures.
No. Mommy.
Yes.
Mommy, sit down right there.
I am sitting right here.
It's a puppy.
Are you taking a video?
Yes, but I'm not taking a picture because she said, don't take a picture of me. So I'm not. I'm not taking a picture of you.
Are you done driving your car?
Yeah.
You done driving your car? Okay, well go park it. Pepe, go park it and you can go inside. Okay? Go park your car.
I don't want to go inside.
Oh, you don't want to go inside?
Go inside a bit of it.
In a little bit you'll go inside. Drive safely. Whoa. Trying to run some people over here. Don't run people over. Be careful, don't drive like your mom. Pepe. Pepe. Hey, do you know how to back up? Do you know how to back up? Let me see you back up. You know how to back up. Huh?
Yeah, thank you.
Oh, you gonna back up? There you go. Throw it in reverse. Driving around backwards. Now you drive better than your mom. Alright, let's go park it in the garage, Peyton, so we can go inside. It's getting dark. Come on, park it in the garage. You can't do it. Make sure your baby's safe. Come on, park it in the garage so we can go inside. Come on, hurry. Oh, you're taking her to daycare? It's too late to go to daycare. It's too late to go to daycare. Come on, we got to go inside. No, go put your car inside. Go drive it and park it. Yeah, come on, come drive it in the parking lot, in the garage. Very good, very good. Don't forget your baby.
Why did you get my baby?
No, you can get your baby.